Hello everyone, welcome to my new video of wonderful Ireland. Today we are going to explore the beauty of Blessington Lake in County Wicklow. Along with my brother and my dad starts our journey towards our destination. Roadside view is so refreshing. The greenery on both sides of the road is welcoming us all the times. After 10 minutes drive from Naas, we reach our destination. The weather is very good today. Wow, this place is so amazing. This lake is so huge. Sky touching mountains. Crystal clear water in the lake and floating clouds in the sky, giving us heavenly feelings. People like us visit here on sunny days. Me and my brother walking along the roadsides. Danger sign here. This dangerous sign warned people not to swim in the lake because it's a man-made lake and many accidents happened in earlier years. We see some boats. People can hire boats for families. We click some amazing photos with boats. We're throwing trash, which is very bad for the environment. One request to everyone, please don't destroy our place. Please don't litter. Keep this place clean for our next generation. Now with my brother starts playing. We enjoy a lot all the time here. We are exploring this fantastic waterway surrounded by the hill. Also see the historical Bargage Bridge. Blessington Lake is a great place to visit. I love to come here again and again. See the link in the description box to go this place. Thanks for watching. See you next time.